How to get Nikah Nama marriage certificate if it is lost. Nikah Nama is a legal document certifying the solemnization of marriage between a husband and wife. Under the Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961, it is mandatory that the Nikah Nama is registered with the local union council, where an original copy of Nikah Nama is kept as a public record and 2 other copies to be served to the bride and groom. If you have lost your Nikah Nama, or you need to obtain a duplicate or certified copy of your Nikah Nama, the best course of action is to contact concerned authorities of Union Council where it was registered and apply for a certified and attested copy. Nikah Nama is registered with a Nikah Registrar, who is appointed by the municipality, Panchayat committee, cantonment board or Union Council. The original is always in Urdu, although attested translations may be provided. Marriage certificates for religious minorities like Christians, Hindus, Parsis are issued by church or temple leaders, and unlike Muslim marriages, registered with local authorities, although they can be made a matter of civil record with subsequent preparation of registrar certificates witnessed by magistrates under the Christian Marriage Act of 1892. Because of frequent marriage fraud, many foreign embassies require wedding photographs in addition to the Nikah Nama or another certificate as proof of marriage. For more information, contact Zahid Law Associates +92 300 2329 223 www.zahidlaw.com.